Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw present tenses. Now we are going to see past tense and also future tense. At first we see past tense. Before learning everything, you must read the sentence. Before writing, before learning, before looking every sentence, you must read everything thoroughly. Otherwise, you can't understand anything. Now we are going to see past tense. A lot of exams. At first, I would like to say, I dash go bracket to her place on foot yesterday. You see, yesterday a adverb நேற்று என்று வந்ததால் go changing into went. I went to her place on foot yesterday. This is went past tense. Go, went, gone. The children dash bracket play in the ground when the teacher arrived. ஆசிரியர் வந்தபொழுது மாணவர்கள் குழந்தைகள் விளையாடி கொண்டிருந்தார்கள். Arrived past tense ஒரு subordinate class. So play, playing, were because children plural were playing. The children were playing in the ground when the teacher arrived. When the teacher arrived or past tense, were playing or past continuous. Then third one, they dash request him when the manager arrived. மேனேஜர் வந்த பொழுது அவர்கள் கேட்டார்கள், ஒரு வினவி கொண்டிருந்தார்கள் என்று வருகிறது. They requesting were because they subject, they were requesting him when the manager arrived. Requested arrived. Then fourth one, if you dash hard, you would have won the relay match. This is a conditional third type. Already you have learnt in the 9th class, conditional third type. Would have won. ரிலேயில் நீ வெற்றி பெற்றிருந்திருக்கலாம். எப்பொழுது? if you had worked hard, நீ கடினப்பட்டு உழைத்திருந்தால் நீ வெற்றி பெற்றிருந்திருக்கலாம். had plus worked ஒரு past perfect, would plus have won ஒரு future perfect. You must listen everything, you don't get upset. Then 5, Jonah and Joy dash leave for Ooty when the others reached past tense. When the others reached, this is a subordinate class. So Jonah and Joy had already left or past perfect. Leave changing into left. So had already left. We all dash sing bracket in the choir last week. Last week or adverb. This denotes past tense. So sing changing into sang. We all sang in the choir last week. Nancy always asking for help. This is for help. So had always been asking, past perfect continuous. The office goers dash for the train. ட்ரெயினுக்கு காத்து கொண்டிருந்தனர். So wait is going to waited past tense. You have everything understood, I feel. Then we are going to see next one. Please see future time. A sentence, a lot of sentences, simple sentence may define future form. A lot of examples or 5 examples say you must see everything. This is common to every students. First, simple present tense. Simple present tense, it may denote future tense. She leaves this evening. இன்று மாலை அவள் கிளம்புகிறாள். Leaves present tense, but it denotes future form. Present continuous. At the next one, we are meeting the Prime Minister tomorrow. நாளைக்கு Prime Minister பார்க்க போகிறோம். Are meeting, this is present continuous, but it means future. Next one, very important, be plus about to. the train. B, that means is about to leave the station. Train புறப்பட இருக்கிறது. He is B, about to leave. You should understand one thing. டூவை அடுத்து எப்பொழுதுமே present tense தான் வர வேண்டும். Mind it. A lot of techniques. Then next one, be plus going to plus verb. Prices are going to rise in future. எதிர்காலத்தில் அல்லது அடுத்து விலைகள் எல்லாம் ஏற இருக்கிறது. Prices. Now plural are, so we put are. Going to rise, உயர இருக்கிறது, உயரப்பட இருக்கிறது, உயர போகிறது. This is future form. By denoting the principal clause of a conditional clause. If she works hard, works present tense, she will get a scholarship, will get future form. Then in first, if she works hard on present tense, then she will get future form. Another pure future forms we are going to see. We shall not go to the market in case it rains. ஒருவேளை மழை பெய்தால் நாம் மார்க்கெட்டுக்கு போக முடியாது அல்ல போக மாட்டோம். ஷால் ப்ளஸ் நெகட்டிவ் நாட் ப்ளஸ் கோ. Then next one, Kirti will have done his work by next week. அடுத்த வாரம் கீர்த்தி வேலையை செய்து முடித்திருந்திருப்பாள். Will plus perfect future perfect tense. The peon will have rung the bell by the time I reach the school. நான் பள்ளியை சென்றடையும் பொழுது பியூன் பெல்லை அடித்திருந்திருப்பார். Will plus have rung, so future perfect. I shall visit my sister's house next April if I go to Uttarakhand. உத்தரகாண்டுக்கு போனால் எனது சிஸ்டருடைய வீட்டுக்கு போய் பார்ப்பேன். Shall plus visit. One very important technique you must understand. All the modal verbs plus present tense. You should not put at any time all the modal verbs may, might, shall, should, will, would, can, could, need, must, everything plus present tense. If you listen carefully, listen, you, so listen carefully, நன்கு கவனித்தால், you will understand my point. Will plus understand, so this is future form. By next year, I shall have lived in Chennai for 15 years. அடுத்த வருடம் இதே நேரத்தில் நான் ஒரு 15 வருடங்களாக அங்கு நான் வசித்திருந்திருப்பேன். Shall plus have lived, future perfect. The new edition of this book will come out shortly. வெகு சீக்கிரம் நியூ எடிஷன் வர இருக்கிறது. Will plus come. She hopes you will help her. அவள் நம்புகிறாள் நீங்கள் அவளுக்கு உதவுவீர்கள் என்று. Will plus help. So will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, used to, ought to, dare, plus present tense. At any situation, at any sentence, most students you put could plus past tense. You don't put these modal verbs plus present tense. Another one, we can easily find underline the verbs and identify the tense forms. I am working hard day and night. Am plus working, so this is present continuous. You can understand. The moon revolves around the earth. You can easily understand revolves, so this is a present tense. Where the milkmen milking the cow, this is past continuous because where plus milking. He received your messages last night. Received past tense. I have been ill for a couple of days. Have been, so present perfect tense. I hope you will understand. You can easily understand everything. Don't be inactive, be active. You read very patiently every sentence very carefully. Thank you.